We believe in making a positive impact on the communities in which we live and work. We uphold that belief through our Love Promise community commitment. This February 2023, we promise to show some extra love and appreciation to single dads from our surrounding communities by hosting a Dads Need Love To event, where dads along their sons and daughters were able to participate in a Valentine's Day activity. Each dad received an all-inclusive Boomers Park ticket to spend quality time with their kids. It is our aim to spread our love promise as far as possible, which is why we work with a diverse range of organizations like Foothill Unity Center. We hope this gift filled each father with love this Valentine's Day.
So, first and foremost, I have to give my utmost respect to all the ladies out there. I didn't know how hard it was, how hard their job was until I became a single father. And this meant so much to me because it's been tough. And I've been going through a lot of hardships. When I got the call, I really needed it. So I couldn't tell you guys how much it means to me. I appreciate you guys being there for me.
I'm so glad you came, and I really hope you enjoy this with your kids. There's no expiration date on it, so you're Of course. Thanks for coming.